Welcome to Mr. Crypto. Today we have Mr. Kombat combo cipher code and daily reward. We will collect daily reward. Then we will go for today cipher code. And we have first of all we have the word that will be our first word will be we have two dash that will be M dash dash that will be M, and for second letter we have gone wrong. We will try again, so that second letter is E and I mistakenly click two dot. So first will be M will be the two bar, and then one dot will be E, and third word will be one dot dash dot R. Third and fourth letter will be dash dot dash, that will be K, and next word will be dot dash dot, that will be L, and we have then last word. For last word E we have just click to dot, and we got crack the cipher code. And good job, thank you for watching, subscribe.